The power of self-motivation. Unlocking your full potential. Self-motivation is the driving force that propels us towards our goals, helping us overcome obstacles and achieve success. It's the spark that ignites our passion, fuels our determination, and pushes us to reach new heights. In this article, we'll explore the importance of self-motivation, strategies for cultivating it, and how it can transform your life. Why self-motivation matters. Self-motivation is essential for achieving success in various aspects of life, including 1. Personal growth. Self-motivation helps you develop new skills, build confidence, and overcome self-doubt. 2. Career advancement. Self-motivation drives you to excel in your profession, take on new challenges, and achieve your career goals. 3. Health and wellness. Self-motivation encourages you to prioritize your physical and mental health, leading to a happier, healthier life. 4. Relationships. Self-motivation helps you nurture meaningful relationships, communicate effectively, and build strong connections with others. Strategies for cultivating self-motivation. 1. Set clear goals. Define your objectives, break them down into smaller tasks, and create a plan to achieve them. 2. Find your why. Identify your purpose, values, and passions, and let them guide your actions. 3. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. 4. Create a positive environment. Surround yourself with supportive people, inspiring quotes, and uplifting music. 5. Practice self-care. Take care of your physical, emotional, and mental well-being. 6. Stay positive. Focus on solutions, learn from failures, and maintain a positive attitude. 7. Seek inspiration. Read motivational stories, watch inspiring videos, and learn from successful people. The benefits of self-motivation. 1. Increased confidence. Self-motivation boosts your self-assurance, helping you tackle challenges with confidence. 2. Improved resilience. Self-motivation enables you to bounce back from setbacks, learn from failures, and adapt to change. 3. Enhanced creativity. Self-motivation inspires you to think outside the box, explore new ideas, and find innovative solutions. 4. Better time management. Self-motivation helps you prioritize tasks, manage your time effectively, and achieve your goals. 5. Increased productivity. Self-motivation drives you to take action, stay focused, and produce high-quality results. Overcoming obstacles to self-motivation. 1. Procrastination. Break tasks into smaller steps, set deadlines, and create a schedule. 2. Self-doubt. Focus on your strengths, celebrate your achievements, and practice positive self-talk. 3. Fear of failure. Reframe failure as an opportunity for growth, learn from mistakes, and take calculated risks. 4. Lack of accountability. Share your goals with a friend, join a support group, or work with a coach.